What's happening, y'all? It's your boy Biggs coming at y'all with another trade recap. It's February 6th. Got a lot of news today. We had Orange Full. Oh, no. Yeah, we had that's Cat. I'm tripping. We have FOMC at 2:30 today. Whoever the fuck Waller is, he's speaking. And yeah, man, bear with me today, y'all. I am tired as fuck, so I can barely talk. You feel me? This is about to be a rough one. I can already tell, but let's get right into it, y'all. So we started off the day, New York midnight. We were in this 4-hour order block right here. Sorry about the executions all over the screen. 4-hour order block right here. That we rejected a little bit. Came down here during London. And then New York Open New York Open. We pushed higher into this 4-hour order block, and then we kept pushing higher above New York Midnight, and then we pushed above this high right here inside of this 4-hour order block. So I wanted to see a sell from this area because we're in a deep premium, and yeah, we took that high, and I was anticipating sells from this area. We also had this 4-hour fair value gap that I kind of unfilled fair value gap that I wanted to see traded to. That would have been nice as well. But ultimately, we generated this intermediate term low resistance liquidity, and another low right here, and then also had this 7 o'clock low down here. That would have been my final TP. I wouldn't have held to the 4-hour fair value gap, but that was just another confluence to take a sell. But yeah, we took this high, started getting rejections, 1 minute inversion right here. But we had a higher time frame for value gap that I waited for to get inverted. So we inverted this 5 minute, and that's where I placed my first order. As you can see, 3 contracts at 796 down here. Then as we had this, we had an unfilled 5 minute above. So I had taken into consideration that we could retest that before going lower. So as you can see, once we did that, I started stacking more orders to put on full risk for this trade because I really liked this setup to at least get to this intermediate term low where I would have partialed out at. But as you guys can see, my bad, I had this in the area that it should have been, but my stop was right here. But as you guys can see, I had a bad stop loss placement today. I had to stop right above the 5 minute gap that was created. And yeah, that was a bad stop loss. And it just goes to show that you guys can really shoot yourself in the foot by having your stop loss in a bad area. You know, you could avoid losses like these and, you know what I'm saying, make a profit. And that will take you far in the long run, you know, just avoiding losses, unnecessary losses. But yeah, in reality, I didn't want to see this 1 minute 1 minute gap get inverted, and I definitely didn't anticipate us going into the upper quadrant of this 5 minute fair value gap. But yeah, so I was stacking orders once we tapped into it, and of course, as it pushed above the encroachment of this 5 minute gap, I stopped stacking because I was like, oh shit, this could be a stop out, you know what I'm saying? But had I had my stop in the right area, which is only, you know what I'm saying, like 6 points to the upside at this 1 minute order block, I could have avoided this loss. Because as you can see, as soon as I got stopped out, price flew directly to a TP1, which is pretty annoying. And yeah, we took the intermediate term low. I would have left runners, of course, but ultimately I would have gotten stopped out at break even, because once I take one profit, I move my stop to break even, so we would have got break even anyway. But profit is profit, you know, and I could have, you know what I'm saying, put more money in the pocket, you feel me? But yeah, nothing to crash out about. Simple mistake. Mistakes happen, you know. We move, man. We move on. And yeah, it looked like we would have taken this intermediate term low, taken some low resistance liquidity, but ultimately we created a SMT with this 7 o'clock low again, just like yesterday with ES. ES had swept that low and tapped into a 4-hour fair value gap. So it looks like we're getting a reversal here anyways. So the trade idea played out to a certain extent. We took out this first TP, but could have been worse, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. Get some sleep. I'm tired as shit, y'all. So unfortunately, I'm only up 436 for the week. Of course, across 4 accounts, like you guys know. Probably won't take another trade today because I took on full risk, and if I do, it's gonna be half the risk. But I'm gonna just catch up on some sleep, y'all. I'm tired. It's NFP week as well, so y'all stay safe in these markets, man. We got a whole month ahead of us, and it's looking good so far. But yeah, stay up and stay blessed, y'all. I love y'all, man. Thanks for tapping in.